Where's Hugo?
But you can see my feet.
Wait, why do the curtains have feet? What? What's going on? Why are the curtains turning? Oh, there's Hugo. There's Hugo, Katie. Go say hi. Go say hi. She wants to say hi. She wants to hug. Give her a hug. Aww. Give her a hug back. That's nice.
Whoa!
Okay, go to sleep now, Katie. That's your bed. Go to sleep. Nene. Hi, Oyasumi. Good night. Oh, your bed is moving. Oop.
This is dangerous. Fall down.